Hello, learners, teachers, parents, and to all DRR Patrol. This is Tutor Edson with my partner, not one, but two, for another subject full of fun and learning. I hope you are having a wonderful day, and I'm here to guide you to explore disaster readiness, safety, and risk reduction, and your official navigator.
And I'm your tutor Leo, your loving tutor, your environmentalist tutor, and your optimistic, friendly tutor.
Yan, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat at magandang hapon, Tutor Leo. Kamusta naman dyan sa SDO Isabela?
Okay, maganda naman ang panahon dito. Tutor Edson at mainit ang panahon dito. How about you, Tutor Edson?
Ito naman, Tutor Leo, no, bago-bago ang panahon dito sa Pampanga. Kanina ang lakas ng ulan, kumikidlat. Tapos ngayon, medyo mainit-init na, no? As in talagang hindi natin alam talaga kung ano ang mangyayari sa panahon natin. Kaya naman sa lahat ng ating mga learners at sa mga magulang, kailangan lagi tayong handa at lagi tayong mag-iingat. Ayan, Tutor Leo. Okay. And for our Tutor Leo, and for our attendance check, don't forget to share our live stream and please be respectful with your comments, of course, no? And of course, you need to write your name, grade and section, school and location, name of your teacher in our chat box. Ayan, Tutor Leo.
And don't forget to like and share our FB page DRR Ito Echo and Tutor Leo.
Yes. And for our module, Tutor
Okay?
Leo.
Kinuha namin ang information bibigay namin sa inyo from Disaster Readiness and Risk Reduction Quarter 2, Module 7, Region 4A, Calabarzon Region.
Yes. And
Tutor
for
Edson?
our MELCS, yes, Tutor Leo. And for our MELCS, Tutor Leo, most essential learning competencies quarter 4, week 6. Ayan. So discuss different community-based practices for managing disaster risk to specific hazards and ayan, no, medyo ano lang na tayo. Develop a community preparedness plan. Yan, Tutor Leo. And of course, Tutor Leo, ito yung inaabangan ng mga estudyante natin at ang mga guro natin, no? Sino-sino nga ba ang ating mga DRR Patrol teacher, Tutor Leo?
For our DRR learning partners, maraming salamat mga kaguro. Congratulations, #mahusay to Sir Brian Chua from Mawake School, SDO Mabalacat City. The same week, Ma'am Beverlyn C. Tribunalo from Daniel R. Aguinaldo, National High School, Davao City. #mahusay. We have Jocelyn Gutierrez
Ayan.
from Mawake High School, SDO Mabalacat City, and Sir Jemar Lumot from Jose C. Feliciano Jose Foundation, Senior High School, SDO Mabalacat City. At meron pa, Tutor Edson, walang iba kundi si Sir Ronnie Peña from Camachiles National High School, SDO Mabalacat City. And we have Noraida A. Sally from Lorenzo S. Sarmiento Senior National High School, SDO Davao de Oro. Maraming salamat mga teachers. #mahusay.
#mahusay at maraming salamat sa ating mga guro na talaga nga namang sumusuporta at nakatutok sa atin dito sa DRRR, Tutor Leo. At syempre, meron tayong mga DRRR Active Patrol Duties na walang iba kundi si Rhea Crate Brady at si Jaira Rin Limpin mula sa Mawake High School. Ang kanilang guro ay si Sir Brian Chua. At syempre, Tutor Leo, no? Meron pa, aside sa Pampanga, meron tayo sa, ayan, pakita natin na, Tutor Leo. Ayan. Nandyan na ba, Tutor Leo? Ayan, no? Si Ces Ann Carangan at si Jezebel Barrientos ng Grade 11 ABM Beryl at ng STEM 12 Confucius mula sa Aurora Senior High School, Isabela. Siyempre, walang iba ang kanilang guro ay si Tutor Leo Angel. At siyempre, andyan naman si Mitch Lopez ng Grade 11 Silver mula sa Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School, Davao City. Ang kanilang guro ay si Ma'am Beverlyn Tribunalo at eto rin si Christine May Bustamante ng grade 11 silver din ng Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School. At meron pa, Tutor Leo. Ayan, no? Talaga namang nakasuporta ang ating mga estudyante mula sa iba't ibang panig ng bansa. Si Shena May Locenario ng grade 12 STEM Andromeda ng Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School at si Karil Hosea ng grade 11 Gold naman, Tutor Leo. No? Talagang nakatutok ang ating mga estudyante sa iba't ibang grado. No? At eto pa, si Donna Summer Asejo ng grade 10 Makabansa ng Camacheles National High School, Pampanga. Ang kanyang guro ay si Sir Ronnie Peña at si Sarah May Kilnat ng grade 12 PBL Sartre ng Aurora Senior High School, Isabela. Ang kanyang guro naman ay si Sir Leo P. Angel. No? At syempre, congratulations sa ating mga DRR Active Patrol Duties. #Mahusay. Ayan, Tutor Leo, para naman sa ating review concept of disaster risk reduction, DRR and DRRM. Ano nga ba ito, Tutor Leo?
Okay, balikan natin yung nakaraan natin na lesson. We have the key elements of DRR and management. We have the pre-event at saka post-event. Okay, so first we have the prevention. 2, we have the mitigation. Yung third na wala dun sa ating circle, we have the adaptation. And the last one, we have the preparedness. Yan po ang ating pre-event. Okay, the key elements of DRR and management. We have also the post-event part 2. Okay, we have response and we have recovery. The 2 post-event of the key elements of DRR and management. Yan.
Yes, tama yan, Tutor Leo. Yes. Talaga nga namang last week, no, talagang pinag-usapan nito at later on sa ating discussion, mas malalaman pa natin ito kung sino naman yung mga humahawak dito at ano ang kanilang mga proyekto para sa DRRR, Tutor Leo, no? And of course, meron tayong ngayon, Tutor Leo, para naman sa ating DRR review. Choose the best answer and send the item number and your answer in the comment box. Don't forget that sa lahat ng mga learners natin, no? Eto na, umpisa na natin, Tutor Leo. For number 1, Tutor Leo. Number 1, disaster can often be prevented and their impact by mitigated. So what are the choices, Tutor Leo? Is it
A, true, and B, false?
Okay, for our learners, no? We will give you 5 seconds to answer. Yes, ayan, may mga sumasagot na. Sabi ni Vianney Tumbagahan, ang sabi niya, it's letter A, true daw, no? Ayan, sabi rin ni Luis Shana, ni Wendy. So what is the answer, Tutor Leo?
And the correct answer is letter A, true. Okay?
Yan, congratulations. Talaga nga namang napakahusay ng ating mga estudyante, Tutor Leo. And for number 2, disaster risk reduction is not about saving lives and livelihoods by changing people's mindsets. So, what are the choices, Tutor Leo? Is it
A, true. Letter B, false.
Okay, kindly write your answer on our chat box. Ayan, talaga nga namang napakasipag nila. At may mga sumasagot na, Tutor Leo, no? Talagang number 1 sa pagsagot si Vianney Tumbagahan, no? Sabi niya, letter B. So what is the answer, Tutor Leo? Ayan, si Jezebel, letter B din.
False, mga anak.
Ayan, congratulations sa ating mga estudyante na nakakasagot at nakakahabol, no? At sa iba pa natin mga estudyante, humabol tayo, siguradong makakasagot tayo dito, no? Ayan, sa mga hindi nakakuha ng score, of course, meron pa tayong number 3, 4, and 5. And for number 3, early warning systems can save lives. Is it A? Tutor Leo?
True. Letter B, false. Ano kaya ang tamang sagot, mga anak?
So, 5 seconds to answer. Ayan, no, ang bilis naman nga naman. Si Wendy, sabi niya, true, no? Si Jezebel, sabi niya rin, true. Si Luis, sabi niya, true din, no? Sabi din ni Ken Paulo, si Melissa, ayan, si Marian. So, talaga nga namang nakatutok sila, Tutor Leo, at napakasipag nila. Dahil nga namang 4th quarter na, Tutor Leo, no? So, what is the answer for number 3, Tutor Leo?
The
Ayan, si
answer
Donna
for
sabi niya
number
letter
3 is
A.
letter A. That is true.
Okay, the correct answer is letter A, true.
Okay.
For number 4, the media plays a role only in giving early warning. So, what are the choices, Tutor Leo?
Letter A, true. Letter B, false.
Okay, 5 seconds to answer. Ayan. So let us wait for our students, sa mga learners natin, no? Ayan, talaga nga namang ang bilis sumagot ng ating mga estudyante. May sumagot na. Sabi letter A, sabi ni Biani, sabi ni Jomar letter B, sabi ni Jezebel letter B, si Wendy it's letter B. Ayan. So anong nga ba ang tamang sagot, Tutor Leo?
And the answer is letter ano ba? B.
Okay,
False.
it's letter B. Ayan. For number 5, the word hazard can be used interchangeably with disaster. Is it? So what are the choices, Tutor Leo?
Letter A, true. Letter B, false.
Okay, 5 seconds to answer for number 5. So let us wait for our students to answer. Just write your answer on our chat box. Ayan. So may mga umahabol na for number 5. Ayan, no? Some of our students answer letter B, sabi ni Christian J, no? Si Marla, si Jomar, ayan, si Laika, ayan, sagot nila it's a letter B. Sabi rin ni Shena, may Locenario, ayan, no? Ang ating isa sa mga, ano natin, talagang nakatutok dito sa DRR, isa sa mga DRR patrol duties natin. Ayan. Andyan din si Christine May. So what is the answer for number 5, Tutor Leo?
And the answer for number 5, mga ka-DRR, is letter B, false.
Okay,
Okay?
letter B.
Hanggang dito na lang, Tutor
Congratulations.
Edson.
Yes. For all the students who got the correct answer, no? For perfect 5, congratulations. And for those who did not get the correct answer, kung may nakakuha ng 3 or 4, still congratulations. Ginawa nyo pa rin yung best niyo. And we are so proud of you. Siyempre, habol tayo later para sa ating pang quiz mamaya. Ayan na. And then, of course, we will discuss for our today, our topic is for the RM thematic areas. Of course, we will talk about disaster preparedness, disaster prevention. These are the thematic areas, Tutor Leo, no? Ayan. So here, of course, para mas
Yes.
maintindihan ng ating mga estudyante, Tutor Leo, we will discuss about disaster prevention and mitigation. So in Tagalog, pag-iwas at mitigasyon bago ang kalamidad. So this one is thematic area number 1. Okay, overall agency in charge is the Department of Science and Technology. Ayan. Aside with that, along with the Department of Science and Technology is the DPWH, ayan, no? The DENR, Department of Finance, and LGU. The other government agencies are, ayan nga, no? Nung sinabi na natin kanina, ayan, sila yung DNR, Natural Resources, ayan, no? Department of Finance, ayan, Tutor Leo. Of course, Tutor Leo. So, ano nga ba itong inano nila dun sa disaster prevention and mitigation? So, ilang percent ba ang budget, Tutor Leo?
Okay, ang percent ng budget po for DRRM and CCA is about 5%. Okay, for climate change adoption. Okay, yun ang ibig sabihin ng CCA.
Yes. Yes, tama yun, no, Tutor Leo? Ayan. And then, of course, Tutor Leo, ayan, no? Kagaya ng sinabi ni Tutor Leo kanina, the budget is 5%, no? Aside with the 5%, syempre, of course, we have this developing science-based mainstreaming tools for the RRM and CCA, no? They develop also a joint work plan of NDRRMC and Climate Change Commission by reviewing the RRM and CCA law and implementing rules and regulation. Aside with this, syempre, along with the other companies, talaga nga namang tumutok sila, but they need to talaga to choose or alamin yung mga gagamitin nila at kung ito talaga ay nararapat, no? They develop also the institutionalizing community-based early warning system or the EWS, information sharing and communication system, para mapabilis na magkaroon ng warning or kaalaman yung mga ano natin, syempre yung mga tao sa community, no? And of course, this one, they develop also disseminating information through media partners. Ayan, no? Yung mga partner natin na media, automatics hindi lang sa television, we have also in Facebook, at we have also in other site na talaga nga naman mas mapapadali na malaman natin kung ano na ang nangyayari sa ating kapaligiran or ano ba yung mga proyekto at paghahanda na gagawin dito, Tutor Leo. And of course, Tutor Leo, so meron din tayong tinatawag na disaster preparedness, no? Yung paghahanda bago ang kalamidad. So overall agency in charge is the Department of Interior and Local Government or the DILG. Other agencies involved are the OCD, Department of Education, ayan, no, DepEd, and the CHED, Commission on Higher Education, other local government units, and other government agency. Ayan, Tutor Leo. Okay, Tutor Leo. So for this one, Tutor Leo, the developing.
So yan, Tutor Edson. So ano nga bang ginagawa ng ating disaster preparedness? So ano bang
Ayan, no?
develop nila, Tutor Edson?
Of course, 'di ba, siyempre ang disaster ay yung mga DRRM natin, no? A local DRRM plan. They need to plan kung ano yung paghahandang gagawin nila. Then kung sakaling may mga sakuna na mangyayari, no? At later on mas pag-uusapan natin yung this one, no? Kasi there are guidelines for emergency response teams. Kahit na meron tayong mga tawag dito, nakahanda na mga response team natin sa iba't ibang panig ng lugar sa community natin, sa yung mga LGU, no? Dapat meron tayong backup plan with this also, no? And then also with this information, education, and communication, IEC materials that promote, advocate DRM and CCA plans and programs for the national level down to the local levels. And also, dito, Tutor Leo, kasama din dito yung, sabi nga, di ba, partner natin ang DepEd at ang CHED, no? Kagaya nga itong DRRM. Talaga nga namang kailangan ipaalam at ituro sa mga kabataan para maging handa sila sakaling may mga sakuna at alam nila ang gagawin nila sa mga ganitong pangyayari, Tutor Leo. And of course, Tutor Leo, di ba, they have the standard manual of operation for the established operation center and simulating scenario based preparedness and response plans. Ayan yung mga pinaghahandaan talaga. Common response assessment tools and mechanics. Bakit kailangan natin ng common response assessment tools and mechanism? Kasi Tutor Leo, once na nangyari na yung sakuna, nakapaghanda tayo, tas may nangyari na, tapos syempre they need to assess also kung ano yung mga nagawa nila, no, para sa susunod na may mangyari uli na ganun sakuna, mas mapaghahandaan nila at mas marami pa sila na may itutulong at kung ano pa yung response na mapapabilis, okay? And then of course, itong incident command system, the ICSS coordination and the communication system. Ayan, Tutor Leo. Ayan,
okay,
no?
ang susunod
And
naman
of
natin,
course,
Tutor Edson, we have disaster
ayan, disaster
rehabilitation
response.
and recovery. Okay.
Okay. Ayan. Medyo bumalik tayo ng konti, Tutor Leo. Doon muna tayo sa disaster response. Ayan, no? So for the disaster response, ayan. So for the disaster response naman, this is the thematic area number 3, no? So this is the overall agency in charge is the Department of Social Welfare and Development or the DSWD. Other agencies involved are disaster risk reduction and management councils. Ayan, no? We have also the OCD or the Department of and also the Department of National Defense, DND, Department of Health or the DOH, no? And the local government units and other agencies. Ito yung mga sa disaster response natin. So, kaya nga sabi nga kanina, no? Ang kapartner natin dito sa disaster response is the DSWD. They are activating the incident command system ICS from the national level down to the local. Kaya nga napaka-importante ng mga announcement na ibibigay sa kanila, no? Ayan, issuance of public advices based on protocol development and utilizing the RRM assessment. So napaka-importante ng thematic ng bawat thematic areas natin, no? For the disaster response. And of course, we have disaster rehabilitation and recovery, okay? O tinatawag in Tagalog, rehabilitasyon at pagbangon pagkatapos ng kalamidad. Ito yung tinatawag na thematic area 4. Ayan. Nasa 4 muna tayo, Tutor Leo, no? So, Disaster Rehabilitation and Recovery Overall Agency in charge sa National Economic and Development Authority or the NEDA. Pabalik tayo ng konti, Tutor Leo, medyo napabilis tayo ng konti sa PowerPoint natin, no? Ayan. So, other agency involved is the National Housing Authority, DOH, sabi nga, no? And this DSWD. Ayan, Tutor Leo. Of course, Tutor Leo, for the disaster rehabilitation and recovery, they conduct what?
And they conduct the post-disaster need assessment or the PDNA, conducting necessary rehabilitation of repair and damaged infrastructure, and conducting post-disaster analysis with affected communities. Yan po, mga ka-DRR. So, meron tayong
Ayan.
disaster rehabilitation and recovery for continuation. So, ano kaya yung pwede pang gawin? Okay, sa ating bansa kung may sakuna.
Of course, or the identifying the needed assistance and formulating, implementing appropriate programs. Ito dapat talagang of course, pinag-isipan na 'to, no? Kaya lang dapat we need 'pag, nagawa na ito, nandiyan na yung ano, 'no, kailangan nating, i-implement talaga at gawin para mas maging handa tayo. And of course, we need to identify mobilizing the funding source. Kasi hindi naman tayo makakapag-ano ng program na dapat, pinaghahandaan din yung funds, no, Tutor Leo, kasi napaka-importante nito. Andiyan na yung program, kailangan dapat napaghandaan din yung, kung ano yung pagkakagastusan, ano yung mga gagamitin na materials, at saka yung mga kakailanganin pa, Tutor Leon, no? And then, of course, we need to identify providing suitable and safe relocation site. Ito, napaka-importante kahit na nagkaroon tayo ng response, kailangan din natin alamin, okay, kung saan sila dadalhin. Kasi most of the time, kaya nga sabi kanina, no, ang nagiging, ano natin, katuwang is ang DepEd, ang CHED also, no? Kasi most of the time, ang school ang nagiging relocation site natin muna or yun doon sa safe area natin, no, Tutor Leo. But we need to assess. Actually, those institution and other organization are assessing also kung safe ba yung place ng school in case of calamities or other ano talaga, no, na pwedeng mangyari. And of course, designing and construction of disaster resilient house. Ito yung isa sa mga proyekto ng mga LGU natin at ng iba nating mga politician at Tutor Leo, kasi ito ay makakatulong sa ating mga nasalantang mga kababayan, no? At we're in nangyayari talaga yan every now and then pag may mga sakuna, Tutor Leo. Ayan. Okay, Tutor Leo?
Okay, ang ganda-ganda na pag-usapan natin, Tutor Edson. So, itong apat na agency, napaka-importante talaga kapag may sakuna dito sa Pilipinas. Tama, Tutor Edson? Unang-una, nandiyan yung DOST, nagbibigay ng update kapag may babala sa may bagyo. Pangalawa,
Yes.
okay, because of that DOST, marami siyang programa like Project NOAA. So, nagbibigay sila ng mapa para magkaroon ng idea mga tao kung saan sila prone sa disaster. So, ganun ang ginagawa ng mga agency na ito. So, nandito din ang ating DILG na tumutulong lagi sa atin kung nagbibigay sila ng tulong kapag sa pag-prepare kapag merong nasalanta ng bagyo or merong sakuna na dumarating sa ating bansa. Okay, we have the Barangay Disaster Preparedness Plan, Tutor Edson.
Of course, eto daw napaka-importante nito, Tutor Leo, no? Ang ating mga LG, yung ating ibang organization and institution talagang tumutulong. So, in each barangay community talagang meron dapat tayong tinatawag na barangay disaster preparedness plan. So, number one, we need to know the barangay information, no? These are the location, land area, short background and population of barangay, no? Napaka-importanting alamin natin ito, no? Tapos we need to know also yung subdivision, yung compounds, or townhouse siya. Kasi iba-iba yan, Tutor Leo, no? Meron tayong mga subdivisions, may, yung compound, pag sinabing compound na subdivision, ito yung talagang exclusive. So, ibig sabihin, marami, may mga organization din dito na talagang pinagtutulungan ng mga tao. But do you know that the subdivision is nakapasok siya sa isang barangay o at community? Pag sinabing compound naman, Tutor Leo, isang malaking lupa na maraming pamilya nakatira dito, maaaring 5 bahay sa loob nito. Ayan, no? Or iisa lang yung gate. Ayan, kaya kailangan na maging ready rin tayo. May mga exit plan pa rin dyan kahit na iisa lang ang gate natin na 5 yung pamilya na nakatira doon, no? And we have also the townhomes. Ito naman yung mga, hindi ko naman sinasabing ano, pero halos dikit-dikit sila, no? Tutor Leo, we need to find out yung mga information, yung details talaga na yan, no? Kasi in case of emergency talaga, Tutor Leo, hindi natin alam kung anong pwedeng mangyari, no? For example, doon sa mga compound, last time we talk about doon sa Baseco compound, no? Nung nasunugan. So dahil magkakadikit sila, talagang ang nangyari is nadamay talaga yung mga katabing bahay nila, Tutor Leo. Ayan, no? Pabalik natin ng konti yung ano, Tutor Leo, yung PowerPoint. Ayan. Balikan lang natin ng konti para mas ma-discuss pa natin. Ayan, napabilis yata ang ating PowerPoint. Tutor
Yan,
Leo,
pasensya
pabalik
na
muna
mga
ng konti.
ka-DR at medyo
Ayan.
naglalag yung aking internet.
Ayan. Oo, no? And then of course, we need to know the list of emergency hotlines. Napaka-importante nito, no? Mag-umpisa doon sa hospital, doon sa fire ano natin, yung fire district natin, dapat alam natin 'yan, yung police station, yun yung mga list of emergency hotlines natin, no? Para alam natin kung sino yung tatawagan natin in case na may mangyari. And of course, we need to know the map of the barangay, the major highways or the main road kasi in barangay kasi there are parang isang malaking gate or ito yung daanan papasok doon sa barangay, no? Or sometimes, meron pa siyang ibang labasan din. Kaya we need to find out that one at saka yung mga major highways natin. And ito, yung waterways, bodies of water like river, canal, and channel, napaka-importante nito, no? Kahit nasabihin mo na malayo tayo doon sa uh, disaster area or doon sa ano, kasi pwede pa rin magkaroon ng disaster kasi pag umulan, nagbaha, dahil hindi natin alam yung mga kanal, yung mga river kung saan daanan ng mga tubig, no? Or minsan may mga basura na pwede, it can cause a lot of things talaga, Tutor Leo, no? Then, we need to identify and indicate the natural and human-induced hazard. At ano nga ba yung iba pa, Tutor Leo?
Okay, so meron pang iba mga ka-DR. Number 6, for each identified hazard or potential disaster, discuss and indicate the following to your barangay. So first, they must know before the occurrence of the disaster. Question number 2, what must your barangay do during the disaster? So letter C, what must your the disaster? So itong mga katanungan na ito yung gagawin ninyo, parang may plano siya. Okay? Gaya rin sa ating sa pamilya, kung merong disaster, bago ang disaster, kailangan may plano siya. Tutor Edson, na di-discuss mamaya. So merong family
Yes.
disaster preparedness plan dapat. Okay? So yung number 7 natin is list down 3 or more than 3 possible evacuation areas in your barangay. So alam niyo dapat kung saan kayo pupunta na lugar na safe para doon na kayo mag-stay. Okay? So ganun lang 'yon mga ka-DRR. So meron pa, Tutor Son.
Yes,
Okay, I
Tutor
think
Leo.
tapos ng discussion natin.
Of course, ayun, no, dapat natin tatandaan. And later on, Tutor Leo, for our patrol tips, mas bibigyan pa natin sila ng mas maraming information para naman maging handa sila. Of course, are you ready now for our students? At syempre, pwedeng sumali mga teachers at ang mga parents. So we have now our quarter 4, week 6 DRR patrol quiz. Choose the best answer and send the item number and your answer in the comment box. Ayan, Tutor Leo. And for number 1, Tutor Leo, so number 1, which of the following phase of emergency planning and management is conducted before an emergency wherein actions promote readiness? So what are the choices, Tutor Leo?
Ito yung mga choices mga anak. Letter A, disaster recovery. Letter B, disaster preparedness. Letter C, disaster, parang na ulit. Letter D,
Yes, typo.
disaster response. Okay? So,
Ayan. So,
letter A,
kindly
B,
write
and D.
your kindly write your correct answer on our chat box. Let us wait for our students for 5 seconds to answer. So bago ang lahat, ayan no, magandang hapon sa atin munang ayan kay Tutor Rainier no, watching from SDO Caloocan at sumagot din si Tutor Rainier ng letter B. Sabi rin ni Christine letter B, kay Luis letter B. Ayan si Bianay at Tumbagahan, letter B ang kanyang sagot. So what is the correct answer, Tutor Leo?
Okay, so the correct answer is letter C, mga
Or letter B kasi
ka-DRRR.
pareho lang siya, no? The correct
Okay?
answer is letter B and C kasi
Yes,
typo siya.
parehas
Ayan.
sila.
So
Okay?
nag-typo tayo with letter B and letter C. Ayan, pasensya na sa ating mga learners, no? So for number 2, what thematic area of DRRM improves the living condition of affected communities based on the Building Back Better principle? So what are the choices, Tutor Leo? I think we have to ano na lang, no? Letter A, B, and letter D. So what are the choices, Tutor Leo?
Yes. Okay? Letter A, disaster recovery. Okay? Letter B or letter C, we have disaster preparedness kasi para silang similar. And letter D, disaster response.
Ayan. So, kindly write your answer on our chat box sa mga learners natin and teachers na nanonood ngayon, no? Ayan. So, 5 seconds to answer. Ayan, no? May mga sumagot na. Ang sabi ni Edmar, ayan, no? Actually, hello to Edmar muna from SDO Isabela. Sabi ni Apiado Darhain o Darhin. Ang ganda ng kanyang pangalan, no? Sabi niya dito, ay, ayan, wala pa siyang sagot sa number 2. Si Jomar, letter A. Sabi ni Christine, letter A. Sabi ni Cristar, letter B. Sabi ni Marian, letter A. So, what is the correct answer, Tutor Leo?
The answer is letter A, mga anak, disaster recovery.
Yan, congratulations. And for number 3, Tutor Leo? Yan. For number 3, what government agency is responsible for forecasting and early warning? So what are the choices, Tutor Leo?
Letter A, DPWH. Letter B, mga anak, DSWD. Letter C, FIBOX. And letter D, NEDA. Okay? Sino
Ayan,
sa
so
kanila
5
ang
seconds to
magpo-forecast
answer.
ng early warning kapag may disaster?
Ayan, so you can write your answer in our chat box. Ayan, so may mga sumagot na. Ang sabi ni Donna, actually medyo late yung ano nila kasi we're on the number 3 na, no? Ayan, tama yung sagot ni Donna kanina at saka ni Chanda Rivera for number 2. And for number 3, sumagot si Mitch, letter C, sabi niya, Pivox. Then sabi rin ni Christine, letter C, ni Nelson, ni Lemuel, ni Ken Paulo, letter C daw. So what is the correct answer, Tutor Leo?
Okay, the correct answer is letter C, FIBOX, mga anak. Okay? You got the
Ayan.
correct answer kapag yun ang inyong sinagot.
Okay, congratulations. And for number 4, how do you prepare an emergency preparedness plan as family? So what are the choices, Tutor Leo?
Letter A, yes, letter A, mga anak, create a family communication plan. Okay, kasabi ko yata kanina, Tutor Edson. Letter B, only adults and elders are involved in the planning. Letter C, start gathering information during the post-hazard. Letter D, make a family emergency supply kit once a disaster is reported in the news. Okay.
Ayan. So, 5 seconds to answer and write your answer on our chat box. Ayan, no? So, may mga sumagot na ba? Ayan, no? Talagang napakasipag ng ating mga estudyante kasi talagang may nakalagay pa yung mga 1, 2, number 3, number 4, number 5 nila, no? Ayan, sabi ni Christine, letter A. Sabi ni Jezebel Barrientos, letter A. Si Donna Acejo, letter A. Number 4 ni Wendy, letter A. Si Mitch din at si Rangel, letter A. So what is the correct answer for number 4, Tutor Leo?
And the answer for number 4 is letter A, create a family communication plan.
Ayan. And for number 5, what is the involvement of the community in DRRM before a disaster? So what are the choices, Tutor Leo?
Okay, letter A, the community follows government orders to stay in evacuation area. Letter B, the community participate in post-disaster assessment. Letter C, the community participate in DRRM planning. And letter D, the community conducts SRR operation. Okay? Ano
Ayan.
kayang
So
tamang
5
sagot
seconds
dun,
to answer.
ka-DRR?
Ayan. Yes. Ayan, no? Sabi ni Christine, letter C. Sabi ni Christian, letter C. Sabi ni Hans, letter C. Wherein the answer, ano nga ba, Tutor Leo? Ang letter C na sagot nila ay the community participates in
Okay,
DRM
ang tamang
planning.
sagot mga anak ay letter C. Okay, the community participate in DRRM planning. Okay?
Ayan. Who got the correct answer or who got the perfect correct answer dito kaya Tutor Leo, no? Pwedeng sabihin nila kung ano naka-perfect sa ating chat box, no? And for those who did not, syempre, congratulations pa rin. And at least, syempre, kahit na 4 yan, 3, 2, or 1 yan, at least nakisama kayo, no? At yan ang gustong-gusto namin ni Tutor Leo. And of course, for our DRR Patrol assignment, make a poster that shows the implementation of disaster risk reduction and management, DRM, in your home and community. Don't forget to send your answer on our Facebook page. DRR Italy with Tutor Edson, Tutor Leo, and Tutor Echo. Ayan. So, dito lang. And don't forget to like and share. Siyempre, ayan, Tutor Leo.
Okay, sunod na ang ating
Ayan.
DRR patrol duties.
But before that, syempre,
Edson.
congratulate ko muna to, Tutor Leo, no? Congratulations kay Laika. Ayan, no, perfect 5 siya. Kay Maria Angela Casinillo, ayan, at saka si Apiado.
Wow,
Ayan, no, ang
galing.
gagaling ng ating mga estudyante. Congratulations. And of course, we need to congratulate also our DRR Patrol Duties. Congratulations, hashtag Mahusay for our Q4 Week 5 concept of Disaster Risk Reduction DRR and DRRM. Sino-sino nga ba sila, Tutor Leo? Eto na. From Aurora Senior High School, SEO Isabela. Siyempre, ang kanyang guro ay si Sir Leo. Ayan, ang aking partner. Congratulations kay Jezebel Barrientos. Talaga nga naman napakahusay ng kanyang ginawa, Tutor Leo, at napakaganda. At sino pa ba? Eto, kay Maria Jamaima at Tabalin at kay Rica Jane Bernardo, no? Ang guro ni Rica Jane Bernardo ay si Sir Leo mula sa Aurora Senior High School, SDO Isabela. At of course, kay Marla Jamaima naman, ang kanyang guro ay si Ma'am Beverly Tribunalo mula sa Daniel R. Aguinaldo High School. Ayan. Siyempre, meron pa tayo, Tutor Leo.
Okay, we have Wendy Erica Cajes, and we have Andrea Valencia from Daniel R. Aguinaldo National High School. Ang kanyang teacher si Ma'am Beverly Tribunalo. And the last one we have from Machilas National High School, ang kanyang teacher si Sir Ronnie Peña. At walang iba kundi si Donna Summer Aseo. Mga anak,
Ayan,
hashtag mahusay,
congratulations.
congratulations.
Napakahusay ng ating mga
Galing.
estudyante mula sa iba't ibang panig ng Pilipinas at talagang nga namang bukod sa napakahusay ninyo, talaga nga namang napakatalento ninyo sa mga ipinapakita ninyo. Ayan, kaya proud na proud kami sa inyo at sigurado mas proud ang inyong mga magulang at mga guro at paaralan. Of course, for our patrol tips, actually, Tutor Leo, dapat ilalagay natin ito, no? Pero mas magandang ilagay natin daw ito sa patrol tips o ilalagay talaga natin dito, no, Tutor Leo? Ano nga ba ang patrol tips natin? Eto, doon magkakaroon dapat, don't forget this one, Tutor Leo. Ano nga ba ito?
Okay, ang patrol tips natin na ibibigay namin sa inyo is about your family disaster preparedness plan. When we say family, okay, so kailangan may plano kapag bago magkaroon ng sakuna. Okay, sabihin natin ang definition. It is a personal action plan that lets each member particular disaster situation and how to be prepared in advance. Okay, it helps alleviate fears from potential disaster, make actual disaster situation less stressful, and save precious time in the face of disaster. So, ready na ba kayo mga ka-DRR? Tutor Edson?
Yes, ano nga ba ito, Tutor Leo? Ayan, ipakita na.
So, the first
Ayan,
one is
no?
mga ka-itulay.
Ayan, for number 1, identify and indicate the
So,
natural and
identify.
human... Sige, Tutor Leo.
Sige. Identify and indicate the natural and human-induced hazard. So, number 2, Tutor Edson.
For each, identify the hazard, potential disaster discuss, and indicate the following. Of course, we need to discuss also this to our students, no, kung ang family naman ang nakakalam dito, yung mga magulang natin. We need to discuss to our children talaga dito, no? What must your family do before the occurrence of the disaster? Ano yung mga dapat natin gawin before pa lang na paghahandaan na natin? And what to do naman ang gagawin natin, no, during the disaster? Dapat alamin natin ito, no? Kaya para maiwasan natin yung may masaktan talaga. And what must your family do after noon? Ayan, Tutor Leo, medyo balikan natin ng konti. Ang PowerPoint medyo napabilis. Ayan. Para mas maano natin sa mga estudyante natin. Yes, Tutor Leo, pabalik ng
Discuss
konti.
the structural weakness of your house, sabi niya, Tutor Edson.
Ayan, no, indicate how you can fix it in preparation for disaster. Kagaya ng nasabi ko kanina, no, pagtapos nung before, during, and after, syempre, doon sa after natin, dapat dito, alamin na natin kung ano yung mga dapat natin gawin, kung meron tayong dapat ayusin, para mas maging lalo pa tayong handa in case na meron mga dumating na sakuna. And for number 4, Tutor Leo.
Okay, number 4, ako na magbaba, Tutor Edson. 4, indicate the plan of how your family would stay in contact with each other. Number 5, draw the floor plan of your home. Napaka-importante yon. Draw a map of your community. Tama yon. List all people or institutions that can help your family in the event of a disaster and list down all your contact numbers in the preparedness plan. Number 8, in case you have a family member who is pregnant or buntis or disabled or or matanda, elderly, create a plan on how you can take care of them during a disaster. Okay?
Ayan, so,
Meron
emphasize ko
pang
lang
last,
ito, Tutor Leo.
Edson?
Tutor Leo, emphasize lang natin yung 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, no? Ayan. Pabalik tayo ng konti, Tutor Leo, doon sa 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Yes po.
Yun, no? Tama lahat ng sinabi ni Tutor Leo. Pag nangyari naman sa school, kaya nga sabi dito, how your family would stay in contact with each other, dapat alamin natin kung sino yung wala or baka may nasaktan na, no? Ayan, tamang-tama yung mga sinabi ni Tutor Leo. And for those pregnant naman, dapat talaga yung mga matatanda, yung pregnant, at saka yung disabled, sila yung dapat natin na ina-assist at ina-asikaso. Ayan. And for number 9, sabi nga ni Tutor Leo, meron pa tayo, no? Ayan, Tutor Leo.
Number 9, indicate the items to be included in your 72-hour survival kit. Okay?
Ayan. So, ito yung tinatawag
anong gagawin
na
natin dito,
make your own.
mga ka-DRR?
Yes.
Tutor Edson,
Ayan,
anong gagawin nila dito?
Yan, tama yan, Tutor Leo. Make your own go bag. Sabi nga, mag-pack ng waterproof bag na madaling mabuhat ng kahit sino sa pamilya. Siguraduhin laging kumpleto ang laman at ilagay sa isang lugar kung saan madaling makuha sa oras ng emergency. Ano nga ba yung mga laman nito, no? Ito yung mga nakalagay dapat dito. Meron tayong food supplies, water, at meron dapat tayong emergency kit doon, no? Nandiyan yung mga flashlight, yung mga documents natin. Importante yan na nakalagay dito. Kaya nga sinabi, make your own go bag, yung mga importante na kaya nating yung mga kailangan na kagamitan na kaya natin mabuhat ng mabilisan in case of emergency. Ayan, Tutor Leo.
Okay? Mga anak, ang references natin na pinagkuhanan na itinuro natin sa inyo ay from the Disaster Readiness and Risk Reduction, TM Quarter 2, Module 7, Department of Education Region 4A, Calabarzon Region, and the other references na kinuhanan namin ay ang https www.officialgazette.gov.ph. Ayan mga anak.